Let's bring in senior markets correspondent Kevin Green. What are you watching here today, Kevin?
Well, Nicole, we are seeing a little bit less than 50% of the stocks in the S&P 500 in the green so far here, and it has been mixed when it comes to the performance. But when you're looking at the levels going into today, looking at the upside, 66.40 to the upside, that's where we saw the majority of the call options being traded earlier this morning. And then to the downside, your first area of support, 6,600, and then below that, 65.70 here. So not that much action, to say the least here. We're maybe trying to consolidate before the Fed meeting, and we are seeing volatility continuing to inch a little bit higher. We do have expiration Friday. We have the quarterly expiration as well, so it's not surprising we are seeing volatility move a little bit higher here. But overall, if we're able to continue to see the Mag 7 continue to outperform and do phenomenally well, then that could actually offset maybe some of the weakness in some other sectors that might face some headwinds with some of this volatility that we might see going into the Fed meeting.
And so at this point now, we see these records today hitting all-time highs. And a lot of that was because, or is because, some of these Mag 7 names have done so well. What are you looking at here when it comes to the Mag 7 today?
Yeah, well, if you're looking at a one-year daily chart of the MAGS ETF, this is from Roundhill, we actually did see a breakout to the upside from this consolidation channel, or basically this ascending bullish channel that we've been in pretty much since the end of July here. A breakout yesterday, obviously that's on the back of Tesla's outperformance. We are seeing Tesla having a little bit of a follow-through day here today, but this breakout could actually be really meaningful, especially if we are able to see companies like Nvidia, which has been in consolidation for the last couple of weeks, really start to consolidate and then break out even higher here. So the Mag 7 obviously is going to be a huge component of the S&P 500. Technically speaking, this is actually a really good development if you're a bull in this name and you'd like to see some follow through over the next couple of trading sessions. And given the environment of high volatility or heightened volatility, if we get a volatility crush post the Fed meeting here, that would be conducive for equities continuing this this bull run in September.
Yeah, all right. I mean, look, we just had Diane talking about Alphabet, Google. We've had news on Tesla this week. A lot of name and tech. A final quick thought, Kevin?
Yeah, I would agree. Also, Oracle kind of turning around as well. We obviously had a phenomenal week last week after the earnings announcement, but today catching a little bit of a tailwind here because of the TikTok news could also help out the broader equities and indices here. Keep your eye out on the dollar. Keep your eye out on yields. Yields could actually re-rate a little bit higher here post the Fed meeting. I think that's probably your biggest risk that you have for equities over the next 24 to 48 hours.
Kevin Green, great to see you. Thank you so much.